Here's a quick look at Windows 8 Developer Preview. One thing I notice is that the ribbon UI is different. So we wanted to switch things here. It's got a home tab and a share tab. Open new window. A lot of the things, a lot of the right-click stuff is still the same, but if you open up IE, it opens up like a normal browser. But now when you click on the Start button is when all the Metro stuff kicks in. And you can see that here you can go back into the desktop, and this gets you into Metro. So the one thing that was hard for me to wrap my head around is that the start bar that we're used to has been replaced by this. But if I launch anything that's a Metro base, such as IE, it opens up in this tablet version, the best way I can describe it. So if you right click, you see the URL here. So let's say MSN. Okay, and when you right click again, you can see the previous web page that you may have up. You can pin it. You can pin this so that it stays there. Pin it to the start. So it's different. But you notice this full screen. There's no option to run it in a windowed type mode. Then you hit the Windows button and it backs out of that. But if you click on Windows Explorer here, it throws you back into the desktop environment. So depending on the app that you're clicking, if it's Metro based, it stays in here. If it's desktop based, it throws you back. So it's a little different. It comes with these type of apps. I try to set up some of my social stuff, and then some of the stuff works, some of it doesn't. It's just going to take some getting used to. When you hit the Windows button, it backs away from the last app you had and the previous. So if you wanted to get back to the desktop, you have to click on the desktop. Right. And again, once you're in here, everything kind of looks and operates like you would expect it, other than the start menu is gone. So I'm not exactly sure how to add programs to this yet. I know that you can right click on one, make it smaller, make it larger. You can unpin it, uninstall it, and drag it around. But I don't know how to add stuff to it yet. But just wanted to show you real quick what I was talking about. And let me see, I think I added this, some news. I added some feeds to this. Because I added some feeds, now see on here I can't scroll to the right unless I actually use my mouse to scroll with the bar. Again, because it's really based around a touchscreen. But if I'm in this environment, when you do the wheel up or down, it scrolls left and right. So not very consistent across the interface. But you can see the live tiles here working once you select some information. So anyway, that's all I know about it at this point.